Hi, hello. I hope this video finds you all in good health and spirits. The reason for this video is today morning I received a WhatsApp. I was just going through a WhatsApp chat in one of my groups, and then I saw one of my friends mentioning that we would have to postpone our 50th birthday, which we had decided to celebrate in a very big way because our entire batch, I mean, majority of us are going to be 50 this year. Or maybe some of them have already had their birthdays, but still we thought that we would come together and celebrate our birthday together. So one of my friends, he just, I mean, it might be a casual remark, he just mentioned that maybe we all should postpone our birthday for next year because it looks very difficult this year. So I mean, I was just, my mind just started uh, wondering, or it just started, I mean, many things came into my mind. Why is this birthday, why are birthdays so important in our life? Is it something that, i mean I mean, what have you achieved in your life? Whatever you are, you may be 30, you may be 20, you may be 50, you may be 70. I mean, what have you achieved so much in your life that or maybe in that particular year that you feel that, I mean, you need to celebrate on a particular day? You can celebrate any day. You can celebrate right here, right now. You can do that. Yes, the number 50, the number 50, it's a magical figure. Many people might not be that much fortunate to even reach that age. Some may go on to live up to 100 years. You never know. But then, I mean, making such a statement that you might not be able to celebrate your birthday this year. I mean, there are still 6 to 7 months more to for this year to end. And yes, COVID-19, you might find a vaccine for that, you might not find a vaccine for that. I mean, but that doesn't stop us, that should not stop us from celebrating life. I mean, the place where I'm sitting right now, I mean, if I could show you, I mean, it's, I mean, the existence, it's so lively. I mean, I can see all those birds, the trees, the leaves are much more greener, maybe due to less pollution. I mean, even the trees, like the way they are swaying, they have just left it to existence. They are not complaining, they are not saying why it is not windy today, why no wind today. If the wind comes, they sway. If doesn't come, they are okay, they are fine. So what I was saying is, whenever we have when we are confronted with some issues in our life, whenever we are confronted with some problems in our life, we always try to have a very, I mean, extremist reaction. That's not the way to live a life. That's not the way you should be living your life. Birthdays will come, birthdays will go. Some year you might celebrate, some year you won't celebrate. That's it. That's part and parcel of your life. At the end of the day, at the end of the year, what matters is how you live your life. Have you made yourself happy? I'm not talking about making others happy. Have you made yourself happy? Because if you cannot make yourself happy, there's no way you can make others happy, isn't it? So stay happy, celebrate. That's it. Thank you.